Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Infiniti QX80 key fob. First, gather all your existing and new key fobs. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. You'll also need to locate the car's programming button or port, which is usually found near the steering column or under the dashboard. Being prepared makes the process much smoother. Now, let's begin the programming. Enter your Infiniti QX80 and ensure all doors are securely closed. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate and press the programming button a specific number of times, usually between 1 and 3, as indicated by your vehicle's manual. This action initiates the programming sequence. Once the programming sequence is active, you'll need to quickly press any button on each key fob you wish to program. Do this for all fobs, including any existing ones, within about 10 seconds. The vehicle's hazard lights should flash once or twice, confirming successful synchronization. Finally, test each programmed key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, work correctly. If your key fob still isn't working, try replacing its battery, as low power can prevent proper synchronization. Should problems persist, it's best to consult a professional technician for assistance. They have specialized tools and knowledge to diagnose complex issues. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and self-emptying convenience, perfect for pet owners. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.